Hey everybody, this is Mike Stroud with Stroud's Building Supply and Steel Trusses. Got another delivery going out here. As you can see, we sell kits all over the nation. This one's one of our local deliveries up to our good customer, Mr. Stefaniak, in Marshall, North Carolina. We are Marshall. Hey, but anyway, this is the insulation. He's doing some 24-foot leans, and then he's doing like a center high monitor style type, which you got the center that is high. He's doing 16-foot gables with 24-foot leans off each side. Man, you can figure about $11 a foot for the trusses, up to 60-foot clear span. The price goes up once you get over that just a little bit, but not much. The trusses are nice. You can see how the angled steel truss is set up, the 2-inch angled steel. You can see the cups, got the pre-drilled screw holes in them. They're offset so that you can put your 2x6s in there. But man, we got the barn kits for $4.75 a square foot, and then we offer specials for all of our trusses for our police officers, public safety, firemen, veterans discount, all those kind of things. So you call me for special pricing, sale prices, and we'll put you up a pole barn kit. We'll enclose it. We'll ship it all over the nation. So give me a call at 828-413-4201 and get yourself a pole barn. God bless you.